Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Today, I got something a little different for y'all. Now, this is the rig we built for my man, Gary. Let me tell you something about Gary. He is a big international scout guy. So, what we got here, custom live fire rig built off an international scout. And this is actually a pretty rare one at that. This used to be an airport rig. So, had a big old conveyor belt over here to load and unload planes. And I think he said it was one of only 11 or 3, maybe it was one of only 3. And he came across it sitting in the junkyard about to get scrapped, and he thought, man, I can save that thing. So he picked it up, called us up, told his idea. We said, hell yeah, brother, bring it on down to us. So what we've done is took this old international scout and turned it into an all-around wood fire cooking machine. So let's check her out. Obviously, you can see it's got a really cool patina on it. Now, we did mount one of our 250-gallon tank smokers on the passenger side here. Now, this thing already had some beefed up suspension on the passenger side, so it worked out great. This got our standard 250 build here. Fold down stack, of course. 2 TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers there. Full bottom grates, sliding top grates, of course. Got that stainless steel Smok Scout logo. Came out really slick. And come around on the firebox, we still have our fully insulated firebox back here. This thing's BVA. This thing's heavy. This whole 4-banger Scout, she gets up and goes. And we didn't just leave it at the smoker. We also did a live fire table, what we call our coal mine on the driver's side here. We got all different cooking grates, different rods to hang stuff off of. So really just turned this old Scout into just an all-around wood fire cooking machine. So Gary's on his way here to come check it out. I think he's actually taking it to a scout show right now to cook for the people. So we love to see it. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, and I mean anything to do with live fire cooking, we're your guys. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.